reporting from Kaharoa School. Strange groans have been echoing through the boardwalk. There has also been a number of students go missing every day since Tuesday. The groans have been getting louder every time someone goes missing. Could this be related? Here we are outside Rentawa where the students have been missing with their teacher. So, where have the students been going?
I have no idea. I send them out to play or lunch and they come back one missing or two missing each time. I am now down to one student in my class. Very peaceful, I have to say, but not very good for group work. What I have been noticing though is that they seem to go into the bushwalk behind our class and then I don't see them again. It's very mysterious and a little bit worrying.
Wow, very mysterious. Let's walk through the boardwalk again to see if they groan or if they don't. It's a mystery unsolved. Let's listen and see if we can hear them. Where could they be? It's a mystery unsolved.